Welcome to this lesson on similar triangle proofs. Remember, a proof is a detailed explanation of why something is true. Some common reasons that you'll see in similar triangle proofs: of course, given is the first reason in every proof. The reflexive property is when a figure is congruent to itself. And then you'll also see some special angle pairs like alternate interior, alternate exterior, corresponding angles, and vertical angles. All right, so let's try a couple of examples. So in the first example, we're given that the sides are proportional. That's what this is saying. The sides are proportional because all the ratios of corresponding sides are equal. So that is given. Now, when we had congruent triangles, we always marked the given pieces of information on our picture. However, you can't really mark proportional sides. If you want to make up numbers for them, you can. I'll do that for you in this example just so you can kind of see. So for example, if this is 10, this would be 5. If this is 8, this would be 4. If this is 6, this would be 3. I just made those numbers up. But that would mean they are all proportional. They're all getting smaller by the same amount. And then it's asking us to prove that the triangles are similar. So when you are filling in the reasons for the similarity statement, it's either going to be side, 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 angle, or angle, angle for similar triangles. And in this case, we're talking about the sides. So this would be side, 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 similarity. All the sides are proportional. All right, and then in the next example, we're told that JK is proportional to JM and JL is proportional to JN. So basically, this over this is the same as this over this. So we have two pairs of proportional sides. Then it also tells us that angle KJL is congruent to MJN. Okay, so let me draw these separately just so we kind of have an idea of what it's talking about. So the two triangles we're talking about here are the little one on top and then the whole one, MJN. So again, I'll give you actual examples. So let's say this is 4 and 4. This is 8 and 8. These two angles are the same. That's kind of what they're saying. Well, these are both given. The reason they are similar would be side, angle, side, because we have two pairs of proportional corresponding sides and one pair of congruent angles. So side, angle, side, similarity. All right, you can go ahead and stop the video now and complete similar triangle proofs, practice, and check it with your teacher.